Introducing Sensational Serene Silverpine, boasting over 5,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, with the best basement you've seen in Northbrook's District 27. Let me give you a tour. Come on in. Your family and friends will never want to leave your party after coming to this fabulous basement, offering a full bedroom, bathroom, mini kitchen, extra game rooms, and a fireplace. Built in 2007, you'll be impressed with the floor plan, which flows easily, including a first floor bedroom, first floor office, ginormous kitchen, and a beautiful view of the backyard. This dynamite kitchen offers this wonderful island, walk-in pantry, and beautiful cabinetry. Upstairs, each of the 4 bedrooms is an ensuite, plus we have a couple bonus rooms, very flexible, either for homework, study area, or for just hanging out. What I love about this backyard is the interesting roof lines, the brick paver patio, the built-in fire pit and grill. You must see this sensational home in person to appreciate the custom details. Come visit today. Welcome home to 1705 Silverpine Drive in Northbrook.